rebuilding Smash Eggs. Oh, how many pieces do we have to rebuild the Smash Egg?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Fine.
6 pieces.
Good job. This is the base. See, the base and the top are similar. Ooh. Similar, but they're not the same. The base is a little bit more flat.
This one is a little bit more bigger than this one.
Yes, so this is archier. The top is archier, right, than the base. So we'll take the base, okay, this is the base, and then we'll take two sides. The two sides are identical.
And then we can smash with our hand or the dino.
Yeah, and then we're going to put this on here. So, see that both sides are different. One side is flatter, one side is pointier. Put the flat side, and flat side. And try to hold it with one hand. It often falls. The key to making Smash Eggs is what, Aiden? Patience. Patience. If we don't have patience,
yeah, we'll be like, no, we're not gonna do it.
If you don't have patience,
you can't do it.
This is not a job for you.
If you don't have patience, it's gonna be really hard to build it.
See, I'm holding it like this.
So if you don't have patience, it's really hard to build it.
Hey, if you don't have patience, you may as well just give up. So if it doesn't work, you take a deep breath and you try again. Okay,
if it doesn't work, actually take 100 billion breaths.
Yeah, you do that. So try again.
Until a storm comes.
Okay, see, now I got the top and the bottom. You see that? Okay, so now you just got to make sure you can hold it really good. Okay? And then I'm going to take one of the sides. So, see, this is the top. The top is archy. It looks like an egg. And I'm going to put the smashers horizontal so it goes in. So then you put it in.
Put this one in.
Okay, you're going to do that. Hold on, let me focus.
You see, my mom always gives up. My mom gives up.
So we have 6 pieces. These are the 2 side pieces. They're identical. This is the bottom piece and the top piece. The bottom piece is flatter than the top piece, but they're similar. And then there's the other 2 side pieces that are identical. So first I start with the base. And the base, the side pieces, see, look at this one. It has one side is archier, one side is flatter. I put the flatter side in.
And it has this, and it says Smash Egg.
And once it's aligned, I can hold it. See? See how I'm holding it? And now you're going to put this in. This is, I think, the trickiest part of all of it. Oops. Okay, start again.
Yeah! Start again. This means meditation, everybody.
Recording now.
What happened to your phone? What happened?
What do you mean?
To your phone, look.
Because we're using it to make a video.
Oh.
This is the trickiest part.
So, my mom made this Lego. And this Lego my dad made it. It was really hard to make. The instructions were like blah, blah, blah.
Ah, it clicked.
And this was made all by myself.
And then which toy do you want to put in it? The Blizzard Bear or the Arctic Ape?
Or Arctic ape.
I can put the Arctic ape gently, gently. Okay, good. And now,
Like, smash. Can I show when I smash it?
yeah, okay, let me do the grand finale. Yes! Yes!
We made this master's egg.
Alright, and now, hold on.
What's I smash it on?
The carpet.
Look at I want to see the floor.
Okay. Oh, no!
Look what's inside.
So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.